Are you looking for an easy way to track project time and generate detailed reports? In this video, we're diving into how you can use CoConstruct for project time tracking and reporting, and why it's an essential tool for your project management needs. Stick with me because I'll also show you a way to access the software for free and get some exclusive bonuses. You won't want to miss this. First, let's talk about time tracking in CoConstruct. This tool makes tracking billable hours and project progress super simple. All you need to do is log your time directly on each project task. You can either do it manually or, if you have a team, they can add their time as they go. Plus, CoConstruct integrates seamlessly with your daily project tasks, so you won't have to worry about juggling different platforms to track progress. Next, CoConstruct allows you to assign and adjust project time on the fly. If you realize that a task is taking longer than expected, you can easily update the time spent. This feature is perfect for ensuring that your project is staying on schedule and within budget. The fourth thing is the ability to generate customized time reports. Whether you're looking for a daily log, a weekly overview, or a comprehensive report by team member or task, CoConstruct makes it easy to filter and extract the data you need. This means you can always stay on top of your project's time management and performance without spending hours on administrative tasks. Another feature that's crucial is its integration with your financial reporting. You can link your time tracking data with project budgets, helping you quickly assess whether you're under or over budget. It also makes invoicing more efficient because the time tracked automatically feeds into your billing system, saving you from manual input. Now, let's talk about how to customize the software. You can set up your time tracking system to reflect the specific needs of your project. For example, if you work with multiple contractors or teams, you can assign unique permissions and access levels to ensure that only the relevant people are tracking time on their tasks. This customization ensures everything is streamlined. Lastly, as I mentioned earlier, you can access CoConstruct completely free through the link in the description below. Not only will you get the software at no cost, but I'll also hook you up with some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. So, to recap, CoConstruct is an all-in-one project management tool that allows for effortless time tracking and detailed reporting. It helps you stay on track with your budget, improve team accountability, and reduce administrative overhead. And remember, you can use this software for free through the link below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out that link for an exclusive extended free trial.